All right, nomads, this is for you. If you're nomadic, you want to have the nomad lifestyle, you want to have the laptop lifestyle, you want to be able to make your travel a little bit cheaper, maybe for free, maybe even fly a little bit more in luxury. There is so much opportunity for a lot of people to take advantage of this. And no one else I see on YouTube who does the nomad lifestyle, who creates videos and content about it, even talks about this. They're not even taking advantage of it. Now, this is something that I have mastered over the last 4 to 5 years. I am not completely nomadic. I love traveling. I love the experiences. If you want to have that type of lifestyle and you're looking for ways to do it and do it better and do it bigger, then this is going to be extremely important for you. Now, first of all, this does only relate to a certain set of people. Yes, there are ways that you can travel hack and plenty of different options that work for everyone. And I can always talk about that if you work with me directly on how I've been able to do it, on how my friends have been able to do it. But this is going to be more related to those who are currently US citizens and can have access to the credit system. Why? Well, I have been able to save tens of thousands of dollars on my own travel across the world, across the US, by putting these strategies into place. So if you have a business or you're making money online or you're trying to start a business online or just in general, if you work remotely like a lot of nomads do where they work for a company and they're still making US dollars in income and they're living in other countries, you still have access to these things. And that is actually utilizing the credit system, utilizing the points and miles system. So if you guys don't know, when you get credit cards, and I'm not saying spend the credit cards and don't pay them off. That's not, absolutely not. This is more of actually understanding financial literacy and utilizing credit cards in certain countries can be great when they have no foreign transaction fees, so you don't always have to pay cash out of pocket. But in general, when you apply to credit cards, instead of getting cash back cards, you would get points related cards, cards that actually have transfer systems. So this could be credit cards that are attached to Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, American Express, Capital One, Citi, Built. These cards, typically, when you hit a sign up bonus, you'll get a large amount of points called sign up bonuses. You can use these points and you can transfer them to other systems, to other airlines, to other hotel programs. And by utilizing the system and understanding how to use those points for pennies on the dollar, getting 5 to 10 times the value of those points, your travel can be cheaper. It can be free, essentially free. I flew first class on American Airlines flagship for $5.60. Yeah, and you can do the same across the world when you're doing that. Or you can be smarter and save your points and only do economy flights, which $1,000 flight, you could book for 20,000 points. These are opportunities that you can take advantage of if you are a US citizen and you have access to the credit system. You have access to points and miles with the cards and with a strategy. And you may not be nomadic now, or you may want to, but you can set up a strategy where you're accruing points off of the sign-up bonuses. So you would spend a certain amount and then you'd hit the sign-up bonus and they would give you a large amount of points. And yes, it is a little bit complicated. It's a skill. Like I said, I've been doing this and helping business owners and entrepreneurs access capital on the business side, but you can get points and miles on the business side and the personal side. Now, there's certain systems you'd rather have points with, like Chase and American Express, because they have more transfer partners where we can utilize. But this is how you travel for free as a nomad. Instead of saving up money to hopefully get that airline or that specific flight to that specific country, being able to have points and miles gives you opportunities to go a lot of different places. It gives you opportunities to not have to pay large amounts of money for airlines or flights. And it can give you opportunities to fly in luxury options, flying Emirates or Air France business class or Singapore Airlines if you want to go to Asia. These are things that are all possible with points and miles that aren't going to cost you an arm and a leg. And guess what? It only gives you the option. It gives you the flexibility just by tapping in to a system that you can leverage, that is available to you. The only difference is the education isn't there. No one else in this nomad circle of people online, yes, they're giving great education on different countries and the food and the expenses and what goes into that, but none of them like to talk about how you can actually utilize the credit system. You can be responsible with the credit system. You can help build your business with the credit system, and you can utilize the rewards and the incentives that they provide to make your travel even cheaper, to make it even better, to make it even more enjoyable. So I just want to do a quick rant on that. I'm going to make some more videos about this because I think nomads, people that want to live the laptop lifestyle, people that want to be entrepreneurs and travel and experience these places should really tap into this, because I haven't seen many people do it and there's no one really talking about it. Tap into it if you need help in understanding how to build your credit, how to set up a strong credit foundation, how to possibly tap into business credit to grow, scale, and or build your business. Then tap in with me down below or join the free school community where you can connect with me or message me there, where I talk about different strategies. But guys, you can make your travel cheaper, you can make it better, you can make it more luxury, you can take advantage. There's so many opportunities in the American credit system, and you can do it with the right education and responsibly, just like me and tons of other people I've had, to make your experiences and your travel that much better. So if you're a nomad, if you're looking to be a nomad, if you're looking to start an online business, if you're looking to work remotely with your current company, this is really an option that you can utilize. Check out some of the other videos of how I have utilized travel hacking, how I have utilized points and miles to get insane redemptions and help people travel all across the world and help business owners implement the right strategies with their cards and their spending. There's so much opportunities if you're a business owner making $50,000 to $100,000 a month and you have expenses where you can put the right cards in and get crazy amount of rewards. There's so many opportunities, even if you're making $2,000 to $3,000 a month and you're just a nomad working for another company, or you're just making that in your business, where you can utilize these cards for spending hits, sign-up bonuses, obtain these cards, and then utilize them for travel. So quick and easy. Drop your questions down below. If you want to work with me directly, hit the link down below. I appreciate you guys as always. Let me know if there's specific topics, even with traveling, nomad, travel hacking, credit cards. I'm going to keep coming out with the content that you want. I want to hear you guys' opinions, and we'll see you next time.